sad news, folks. I couldn't make it today either. You're still gonna take your test, and I'm confident that you will be just fine. So please get out your Unit 5 review that should be completely done. Make sure your name is on it. Also get out any other assignments that are late or that you were absent for. Make sure your name is on those. The substitute is going to collect your Unit 5 review as well as any missing assignments that you have to turn in. Once that is all done, you may have out your calculator, pencil. You won't need a ruler. You can use highlighters, and you don't have any homework over Thanksgiving break. So have a great break. I am thankful for you. I look forward to seeing you after break, and make sure you're respectful, make sure you're kind, make sure that you are only using your phones to listen to music. Okay, I will see you soon.